back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you a budget lockdown style meal that I had to create. We're trying to only do one shot per week, so I had a few leftover items. Right, I've got 500 grams of pork mince. I try and keep that in the freezer at all times. Ground black pepper, not fresh of course, around about a teaspoon of that and about a teaspoon of salt. The pork will handle the salt quite easy. We're going to put in some garlic paste, the equivalent to about 3 to 4 cloves, and again around about 2 to 3 teaspoons worth of basil paste. Give all that a really good quick mix up. Use an ice cream scoop, scoop out a little bit of that mince, roll that between your hands. That'll just make up these perfect little baby meatballs, and using the ice cream scoop really does work. I use 3 different sizes depending on what I'm cooking. I had some leftover lasagna sheets from when I made my lasagna pie. If you haven't seen that recipe, go back and watch it. It tastes amazing. It looks crazy, but it really does taste good. We're simply just going to cut that up around about a finger width, around about half an inch, maybe 9/16 of an inch, 14 millimeters. Just cut those up using a nice big long knife. We're going to put that aside. We need a big pot of boiling water, salted quite heavily. We're going to cook these off for around about 3 to 4 minutes, and that's all they're going to need, being a sort of a fresh pasta. Really nice hot grill plate, a little bit of olive oil, and we're simply just going to put these little balls straight on top of our hot plate. Very, very simple. I'm going to give them around about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Give them a turn. As you can see, I've got a very nice hot plate going there. I've got a nice amount of heat, and these will char up a little bit. Don't worry about that. It really adds to the flavour of the sauce. There's our little balls sitting there, resting away. Right, let's get on with the next part of the recipe. One fry pan. Go to your pantry, get our 1 can of mushrooms in butter sauce. Keep these in the cupboard at all times. You never know when you're going to use them. They're so versatile. Freshly ground black pepper can go straight over the top of those while we get those coming up to a little bit of heat. We're going to put in a nice little dollop of cream. You can use as much or little as you like. If you don't have cream, but you might have sour cream in the refrigerator, use that. It will work. Even yogurt will work in this particular dish. Give that a little bit of a mix through. Just bring everything together with a little bit of heat. And I told you this is a very quick and easy meal to make. Okay, in goes our little balls, juices, everything all straight into that sauce. Just like that. At this point, you can put your pasta into the water. As I said, 3, maybe 4 minutes tops, and they'll be done. Add that straight to the sauce like that, and I'm simply just going to finish this off by stirring it through. I'm going to add in a little bit of shaved parmesan or even pecorino will do at a pinch. Just put that straight over the top, and it is ready to serve. As I said, how easy. That whole dish from start to go for 2, 3, maybe 4 people at a scrap, you'll get out of that for under $10 quite easily. And there you go, KP's barbecue meatballs and a quick creamy mushroom sauce with Pappardelle. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to do something real budget, real quick, easy and tasty. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I know this tastes good, so I'm not going to eat it because I've already eaten it, and I will catch you next time. Bye!